Okay. Dylan's gonna try a worm. It's already been cooked. It's good to go. Dylan. Do it, buddy. Do it for America.
Don't eat the head.
USA. USA. USA.
Singapore.
China. China. Come on. Come on, Dylan. Just, you can't eat the head though. Just put the head out.
You're gonna eat this later. Dude, I can't believe you're touching that shit. That's cool.
Do it, man. Do it, buddy. Do it. Do it for everybody at work. Make DMT proud.
Yeah. Try it. She said. It's good, they say. 1, 2,
3, go. Now!
Just imagine. Just imagine. Oh, wow.
Come on, man. Do it.
This is a pretty long video.
I know. Your memory card's gonna run out, man. Just do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
Will he eat this? No. Oh, he'll eat it. But it's all about you. It's not him.
Come on, man.
He's like, go.
Go, dude.
Oh, I didn't swallow it.
What does it taste like, dude?
I don't know.
Oh my god.
Oh, eat it! Eat the head! Don't such a good sport. I'm waiting for him to throw up.
I'm gonna throw up. I won't throw up.
Alright.
On your face, you're dripping like all the juices and everything.
No, that was beer. Thank God that was beer.